traditional security model is no longer enough. Discover Zero Trust. Never trust, always verify for all users and devices. Zero Trust eliminates implicit trust, enforcing strict verification for every access request, minimizing risks to critical assets. With evolving cyber threats, Zero Trust is essential to reduce risks, especially with remote work and regulatory compliance. Key building blocks of Zero Trust architecture include identity and access management, endpoint security, and more. Implement multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and ensure secure endpoints to safeguard your network. Micro-segmentation divides your network for better security, while continuous monitoring ensures real-time threat detection. Real-time monitoring tools like CM detect anomalies, and data encryption protects information, ensuring integrity. Automated incident response and Zero Trust yield enhanced security, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. To implement Zero Trust, advanced technical knowledge is required. Access detailed guides and scripts for practical steps. Let's build a breach-proof IT infrastructure together. Scan the QR code for more information.